Well, here's my latest surplus purchase. I think I did pretty good. It's a Delta Shopmaster variable speed drill press. And I was a little worried that, something would be busted on it, but there she goes, and you vary the speed by turning the handle. It's 3,000. Back down to 500. So I'm pretty pleased. And I got the little Black & Decker bandsaw also as part of the deal, but it's got some issues. I haven't tested it yet, but since I have a bigger bandsaw, I don't care. I get a good price on the drill. I've been wanting a variable speed drill for a while. And this one's quite beefy, so I'm sure I'll be able to use it. And the drill and the bandsaw were both on this nifty little cabinet. They were bolted on top. And I got the keys in the other drawer is sitting in the truck. So it's a fairly nice little cabinet. All in all, I got all three for a good deal. And oh boy, but you notice behind me, they don't have a boat anymore. So I got to have some toys.